making the thick pancake video for today. Okay, so here are the ingredients for the thick pancake. You can get this thick pancake silicone mold from Daiso or online shop, or you can use the traditional pancake mold also can. So this one is the silicone mold. So I have two over here. Then I'll be using this one, the premix for the thick pancake. You can use any pancake recipe online using flour sugar mixture to use for this recipe as well. One pack here, one pack like this can make about 4. Okay, 4 thick pancake. So we'll be using one pack of this. You can get any brand that you want, it's okay. Hello morning everyone. Okay, then we need some full cream milk over here. You can use soy milk if you want. Then we have 1 medium egg, about let's say 60 grams of egg. Okay, for the filling, correct, you can do savory or you can do sweet. I'm going to do one with this cream cheese and the other one with this red bean paste. Okay, so these are our fillings for today's pancake. So we just put one side first. So first, what you're going to do is you just take a bowl, correct? Then you crack in your egg. 1 egg will do. If you don't want egg, you can omit. Then you top up the balance with water or milk. So you just lightly whisk it. Okay, lightly whisk it. Then you add in the milk mixture. So it's very simple. Okay, then you can add in the pancake mixture, the pancake flour mixture. Just give me a minute. Very low like this. Can you see? It's a very low heat. Not too high. Too high you'll get burnt. So what you do is you add in the pancake mold. Okay, on the pancake mold, correct, you will see a line here. Can you see one line here? Okay, so your batter, correct, must not be over this line. So when you add in the batter, correct, you look, it must be filled up to half of the mold. Okay. So now we slowly fill in the pancake batter till you reach the line. If you scared the ring mold, correct, will stick, you can actually grease some oil. But for first few time use, right, it's okay. So it's about half full like this. So 1 pack of batter can make 4. So now you can have your Mr. Bean pancake at home. It's very easy to make. If you don't have this pre-mixed hotcake flour, you can use any hotcake flour recipe. You can see half filled. So when it's half filled, right, the next thing you're gonna do is you're going to cover first. Okay, then you cook for about 2 minutes before you add the fillings. If you add in too early, right, the filling will actually sink down. Okay, yeah, let you check it out. Can you see there's a tiny bubble starting to form? That means the pancake is almost like slightly set, so you can actually prepare your fillings. So we're going to add the cream cheese plus the red bean paste. Quite okay, you can see bubbles, so I can actually add this in. So I just put like this, can you see? Now I will roll the red bean paste. Red bean paste depends how much you want, but don't put too much. Later on it will just stuck. It's about, let's say, 1 tablespoon. So what you do is you maybe do it like a circle like this. Can you see? Then you add it in. But you don't press it down. Later on you will all sink down. Okay, then you cover back. You see, timer is on. So what we're gonna do now is I'm going to set another 5 minutes. So after the 5 minutes, correct, you can see the pancake is almost like, how to say, almost fluff up, right? Then you can flip it over. So after you flip it over, correct, you do for another 3 to 4 minutes. Then you can remove from the pan and you can unmold it from the so-called the silicone mold. Okay, so it's pretty easy to make. So we open this. So to flip it, right? Okay, must be careful. As in, like, you must be fast hand. So what we're going to do is, you see, you hold the 2 sides here. Can you see there's 2 here over here? Then what you do is hold it, and you flip. Can you see? It's a bit gluey, wobbling. So you just like must be fast lah. Okay. So just flip it over. Also not very good at this also. Okay. Can you see? Flip over already. Okay. Then you cover back and you do for the next 3 minutes. Okay. That's all. Now 3 minutes up. Okay, I'm gonna check it out first before I check first whether is it cooked. Can you see the brown? Can you see nicely brown? Oops. Okay, check this side first. Oh, so hot. Wow, can you see? Nice. The brown color is nice, right? Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to off the heat. Okay, you can see to unmold is pretty simple. So basically you should like let it cool slightly a little bit first because it's hot to handle. Wait give me 1 minute. Oops. Just peel off from the side, you can see. Oops, so hot. Okay. Ups. Ah! Actually, it's best that you wait a while. Okay, a while is easier.